morning, my YouTubers. Good morning, my love. Yeah, I was sleeping in my sleep and I was feeling so much pain. And when I get up to pee, I realize my eyes feeling a bit heavy. And I went to the place to get my eye wax, but I think it's not about much more about how she uses stick. And the stick is pretty rough. And she was take a little piece of glue and digging in my skin with the glue to spread a little bit as much as she could spread it. And that's why to rip up my skin from the wood, from the piece of wood that she was using. And I complaining before she even put the hot wax on my face. I was complaining about the wood. I said, ma'am, the wood is cutting up my skin. You're digging on my skin with the wood. You see, this eyebrow wasn't done. I'm the one who shaved it like this with a razor because she did all that and the eyebrow still didn't touch. So I wake up in the night to pee, and when I wake up, I said something didn't feel right. It was worse or swollen. My eyes was way closer this morning. And Jay gave me some this thing to put on my eye. And that's how I look, y'all. I'm going to go back down there for them to see my eye because I don't want people to think I didn't want to pay them for their eyebrow. I know when something wasn't right. So basically, that's how I'm looking now, my love. That's how I'm looking now. This is what the damn wax did to my eye. And I've been waxing my eyes for many years. And I've been bleaching for many years. See, I have nothing to do with bleaching cream because I've been waxing. I go many times and wax my eyes on camera with you guys on Facebook. A lot of time before. But this person never do my eye, and this is what she done. The last time when I went to get my foot done, you know, the lady did such a good job. And I gave her $10 extra. And she's like, still looking. I gave her $2 more. You know, I was being really nice. Because sometimes she do my foot and sometimes I didn't have that much extra tip to give her. So I go back and I have money. I just give her the little 13, the $10, and I give her the $3. So that one, she run up, you know, for me to give her a tip, and she didn't do no job for me. So I was like, I didn't pay her no mind because, I mean, she didn't do no job for me. So why should I tip her? So now when I go back, that lady was busy doing somebody else's feet, and I just wanted to get my feet polished. I only changed my polish because like I was so busy, I didn't have time to do my feet. But I said what I could do, I just change the polish because I was really, really busy. Right? I'm trying to switch the thing so you could see the feet. Right? So the feet, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark in here. That the light is not on. It's really dark for you to see the feet because it's really, really dark in here. But I went for to polish the feet, the toes, right? And the other lady was busy. The one that usually do my feet was busy. She polished my toes and she charged me $14 for this polish. I guess they think I'm rich, come and get home on the tip. First she said 7, and then they said put like a white line, like a design. She said 14, no problem. So when I gave her the $20, my eyebrow was hurting me. I was like, I'm not going to sit down there and let you go dig off my eye more. I'm going to get up because I know what I'm feeling. She's like, it's okay, it's okay. And you know what make it worse was the chemical that you reach for. When I was complaining, she went in the drawer and she picked some chemical and she put the chemical on my skin. The chemical started to burn my skin off. Worse. So it's not just digging off my skin, put the hot wax and then she put the chemical. It was three double dose. After stick digging off my skin, putting and then she put the chemical, and the chemical was like burning through my skin. Some strong chemical she put on my eye. Could have blind me. So this is what I end up with, guys. I love you. And as you can see, it's my natural eye bleeding through like this. See? I clean it off and see it. Yesterday's pure water running out of it, and then tonight it started bleeding. So I don't know what tomorrow look like. I don't know if it's gonna dry up or I'm gonna have to just do something. I don't know. I don't like to make trouble. I don't like to put people in problems, but I mean, this is ridiculous. I'll see how it go for tomorrow. I love you guys. God bless you. Be careful when you go and get your eyebrow wax and who wax your eyebrow. Matter of fact, I will never wax again for the rest of my life. I could tell you that.